नमस्कार। आइए क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं जो प्रीवियस ईयर IIT JEE में पूछा गया सवाल है। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को रीड करते हैं और उसके बाद उसका स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन है कि फॉर a ग्रेटर देन 0 सॉल्व फॉर x द इक्वेशन 2 times log of a to the base x plus log of a to the base ax plus 3 times log of a to the base a square x is equal to 0। इसको x के लिए सॉल्व करना है। सॉल्यूशन here given है given a greater than 0। First of all, we define given equation. The given equation is defined only when this x first greater than 0 and x is not equal to 1. Second, this one ax greater than 0 as a greater than 0, which implies x must be greater than 0 and ax is not equal to 1, which implies x is not equal to 1 by a. And third, that is last, this a square x should be greater than 0 as a greater than 0, which implies x is greater than 0 and a square x is not equal to 1, which implies x is not equal to 1 by a square. Taking all these into consideration, we conclude that x should be greater than 0, x is not equal to 1 and x is not equal to 1 by a and x is not equal to 1 by a square. Under these conditions, this equation is well defined. Now, we will try to solve the above equation. Let us change this into this way. Using the properties using the properties of logarithm log of m to the base n can be written as log of m to the base a by log of n to the base a. When a is equal to e, natural base, then we can write log of m to the base n is equal to, whenever base is e, then we write ln m by ln n. So we are going to use this property for this equation. Now coming to right side of the board, हम लिख सकते हैं 2 times ln a by ln x using that property प्लस सेकेंड टर्म को भी लिख सकते हैं ln a एंड ln ax प्लस 3 times ln a by ln a square x is equal to 0। हम यहाँ पे ln a कॉमन ले सकते हैं और इधर लिख सकते हैं 2 बाई ln x प्लस 1 अपॉन, इसको ln ax को लिख सकते हैं ln a प्लस ln x using the property log of ln alpha into beta is equal to ln alpha plus ln beta प्लस अगेन 3 अपॉन, इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 times ln a plus ln x is equal to 0। This is a constant, so it is not equal to 0. It means that this factor is equal to 0. Now इसका LCM लेंगे, which implies 2 times ln x plus 1 by ln a plus ln x plus 3 by 2 times ln a और plus ln x is equal to 0. Here ln a square x can be written as ln a square plus ln x, or this comes out here, so 2 times ln a plus ln x. Now इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर बनेगा this ln x into ln a plus ln x into 2 times ln a plus ln x, यहाँ पे 2 into this, so आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं 2 into this ln a into 2 times ln a, 2 times ln a square a plus this into this plus this into this, so 1 and 2 3 times ln a ln x plus this into this, that is ln a square x plus for here this into this, that is ln x into this 2 times ln a into ln x plus this into this, that is ln a square x plus for here 3 times this into this, that is ln a into ln x plus this into this, that is ln a square x is equal to 0। तो किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन का डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं हो सकता है, देयरफॉर इसका न्यूमरेटर 0 होगा। नाउ कंबाइनिंग द लाइक टर्म, सो 2 into 2 4 times ln a square a plus 2 into this 6 times ln a ln x plus 2 times ln a ln x, that is 6 plus 2 8 and 3 times ln a into ln x, that is 8 plus 3, that is 11 times ln a into ln x plus 2 times ln a square x plus single times ln square x, so 3 times ln square x and plus 3 times ln square, so 3 plus 3 6 times ln square x is equal to 0. डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं हो सकता है। इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 6 टाइम्स ln स्क्वायर x प्लस 11 times ln a into ln x plus 4 times ln square a is equal to 0. ln square 6 ln square x plus 11 times ln a into ln x plus 4 times ln square a is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in ln square ln x. Therefore, applying quadratic formula, ln x is equal to minus b, that is minus 11 times ln a plus minus b square, that is 121 ln square a minus 4 times ac, that is 1696 ln square a by 2a, that is 12, which gives minus 11a plus minus 121 minus 96, that is 25, 25 square root of 25, that is 5 ln a by 12. Now this can be written as a square root of ln square a is equal to ln a. Therefore माइनस, जब कभी भी हम प्लस साइन लेंगे तो माइनस 6/12 ln a, और कॉमा जब माइनस साइन लेंगे तो 16 माइनस 16/12 ln a। यहाँ पे ये 1/2 टाइम्स में कैंसिल होगा और ये 4/3। Therefore, coming here, ln x is equal to 1/2 ln a minus sign and minus 4/3 ln a. This can be written as like this: ln a to the power minus 1/2 and ln a to the power minus 4/3, or here is ln x, which implies x is equal to this quantity, that is a to the power minus 1/2 comma, and this quantity, that is a to the power minus 4/3. This can be written as 1 upon under root 2 under root a, sorry, and second one is 1 by cube root of a to the power 4. This is the solution for x. Solution for, so these are the values of x and these are the answers.